A deep understanding of AWS NACLs provides foundational knowledge that is essential for anyone involved in cloud computing or network security. While security groups function to allow only the selected, specified traffic, it's the network access control lists that work hard to block any unwanted traffic. Whether you're a student, an IT engineer, or even a CEO, mastering AWS NACLs is an essential skill. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 2 Minutes of AWS Mastery series. Today, we're diving into a crucial security component in AWS's vast infrastructure: the Network Access Control Lists, also known as NACLs. What is AWS NACL? NACLs are integral to the AWS ecosystem, functioning as a virtual stateless firewall for controlling inbound and outbound traffic at the subnet level. If you're preparing for an AWS certification or just interested in cloud security, understanding NACLs is crucial. NACL blocks traffic. Now, why should you care about NACLs? Well, they block unauthorized traffic from entering your network, acting as the first line of defense. This ensures that your applications and databases remain secure from potential threats, making it essential for IT professionals, developers, and CEOs alike. What does it mean, stateless firewall? NACLs are often referred to as stateless firewalls. In simpler terms, this means they evaluate each incoming and outgoing packet individually, regardless of prior packets. Unlike a stateful firewall, NACLs don't maintain a session record, which gives you fine-grained control but also necessitates a more comprehensive configuration. What are ephemeral ports? You might hear the term ephemeral ports when discussing NACLs. These are temporary, short-lived ports assigned automatically by the host operating system. Understanding ephemeral ports is key for configuring NACLs effectively, especially for outbound traffic. Network ACL Quotas. Network ACLs per VPC 200 can be adjustable. You can associate one network ACL to one or more subnets in a VPC. Rules per network ACL default 20 inbound rules and 20 outbound rules. This quota can be increased up to a maximum of 40 inbound rules and 40 outbound rules for a total of 80 rules, but network performance might be impacted. Why study AWS NACL? Studying AWS NACL or Network Access Control List is crucial for students and IT engineers alike because it forms the backbone of security within the AWS cloud infrastructure. By understanding how to configure and implement NACLs, IT professionals gain the necessary skills to block malicious traffic, thereby enhancing the safety and reliability of cloud-based systems. While corporate solutions often rely on more complex stateful firewalls that include features like geolocation, a deep understanding of AWS NACLs provides foundational knowledge that is essential for anyone involved in cloud computing or network security. While security groups function to allow only the selected, specified traffic, it's the network access control lists that work hard to block any unwanted traffic. Whether you're a student, an IT engineer, or even a CEO, mastering AWS NACLs is an essential skill. It's not just about passing an exam, it's about securing your company's digital assets and ensuring the integrity of your data. So, there's no better time than now to delve deeper into this topic. Thank you so much, gurus, for joining me today. I hope this brief rundown has been illuminating. By now, you should have a basic understanding of what an AWS NACL is and why it's so critical in cloud computing security. Do you know what an AWS NACL is now? If you feel more confident about AWS NACLs, then we've done our job. Stay tuned for more enlightening 2-minute videos to advance your AWS mastery. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you think would benefit from AWS mastery. See you next time, gurus.